Imagine a world where your income is generated by artificial intelligence. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. It's happening right now. This is the era of AI passive income, a revolutionary way to earn. Let's dive into 37 tips and ways to earn money with AI. Tip 1. Start with familiarizing yourself with AI. It's not as complex as it seems. Don't let the big words scare you off. For tip 2, begin small. You don't have to build a robot on day 1. Tip 3. Learn about AI tools that can help you with investing and trading. Think of them as your digital assistants. With AI, you can make informed decisions for passive income. Tips 4 through 9 involve exploring online courses, ebooks, and webinars on AI. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Tip 10. Use AI to create a blog or website that generates ad revenue. This is a smart way to keep content fresh and relevant. Moving on to tip 11. Optimize your website content with AI. This can improve SEO and user experience. For tip 12, consider creating AI-driven apps. These can provide a steady income stream. And don't forget about affiliate marketing with AI. That's our tip 13. Remember, the opportunities with AI are boundless if you're willing to explore. Tip 19. Have you considered AI-driven dropshipping? It's a goldmine. With AI, you can optimize your e-commerce endeavors like never before, from product recommendation to price optimization. Moving on to tip 20, consider utilizing AI for customer service. Bots can handle inquiries round the clock, saving you time and money. Tips 21 to 27 delve into AI content creation. From blog posts to social media updates, AI can help you produce consistent, high-quality content. Remember, it's all about creativity and leveraging the right tools. Scene script. Tip 28. AI can even help you make money while you sleep. Let's find out how. Picture this. You're fast asleep, but your AI-driven stock trading bot is hard at work, analyzing market trends and executing trades. That's the beauty of passive income. Moving on to tip 29. Real estate investment made easy with AI. AI tools can predict property values, making investment decisions a breeze. For our 30th tip, consider developing an AI-driven online course. Share your knowledge and earn passive income as students across the globe sign up. We could go on, but let's leave it at tip 37. Remember, the key to AI passive income is creativity and persistence. There's no limit to what you can achieve with AI. So, there you have it. 37 ways to earn money with AI. Remember, leveraging artificial intelligence is key to unlocking new avenues of passive income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the future is AI.